Summerfest. It's a base-wide festival for all the employees on base. We were asked to come down and put on a little presentation for the kids. When I come out, I try to set up a little bit of both a fire prevention training and also let them see what tools we have and see what kind of things that we do. So we set up inside. We watched a 14-minute video that really hits home the importance of fire safety and escape plans and smoke detectors. We normally like to make sure every kid knows what a firefighter looks like in his gear, so I geared up in all my gear to include the air pack, talk to them so they know what to expect if they ever encounter a fire in their house and we're coming in there looking for them. And then basically we just set up a bunch of different simple tools that they can get their hands on and not get hurt and just kind of mess around and learn a little bit of what we do and the kind of equipment that we have. Doing all this, you guys will be holding the hose for him so he can work.